What is up, YouTube? What is good? I am back again for another review, take two. I had forgot to connect my microphone. Anyways, I'm back again for another review. By the title, you should already know what it is. But I was talking about these the last time I picked up the purple. On my last review on the purple Supreme SBs, I was talking about picking these up, and they're finally here. So I already had these for a couple days, I'm not gonna lie. So I already laced them up, put my mink oil, did my little suede treatment on it, and got these things looking super good. So let's get into the review. So you can see just off the tag, it's Ocean Fog Black. There you go, there's the box. Of course, like any other quick strike box. Gonna say Nike Dunk Low. OG cut, quick strike. So these are, of course, the OG cut. And you can see the paper there. It does have the Nike branded Supreme tissue, and boom, there goes the shoe. Not gonna lie, man, ever since I got the purple, like, that quality on these things are just insane. And not gonna lie, I was, before I picked these up, was gonna get the Vertigo Mountains GR pair that just came out. Whereas I don't even know, never really give a date on those. So I was gonna do a review on those, but I had went to the skate shop that had them, and seen that they had just got them and shipped. They just had shipped them in, and I wanted to check them out. So when I went to go look at them and check them out, they didn't have them out for sale yet. So told me to come back, and of course I called them actually to see if they had them on sale yet, and they told me that they weren't on sale yet. So I was like, I'm not just gonna keep waiting on these. And I was like, you know what, let me just get these, the Ocean Fogs, because I was talking about these on my last video reviewing the Supremes. I was talking about how I really like this pair too, and also the Camper Green Asia exclusive pair, which is on the next to be on the cop list here. So hopefully everything goes good. I should be reviewing those next, hopefully. But anyways, these are the US exclusive pair, and like I said, I already had these for a couple days, so I already laced them up myself, and I did some mink oil, and I got that suede looking super crazy buttery, like so buttery, it's crazy. I might have to actually oh, see, yeah, look, I don't have to keep zooming in. I finally changed my settings on the camera, so it kind of like does it on its own. You see that suede though? Like, bro, this suede is just so crazy buttery and soft. Like, when I got them, they were still buttery, but like I hit them with like a little suede brush, like a little medium bristle brush. Hit it with that first, and then I hit it with the mink oil, and then with the horsehair, bro, and these things are so buttery. But anyways, you can see the whole shoe is suede. Whole shoe suede. It does have the black laces included, and on the aglets on both the black tips and the blue. You can see it does say world famous. It does say world famous on the aglets and the laces. I'm not gonna lie, I did have to, when I did get the purple pair and these pairs, the laces were pretty jacked up, like they were flat and curled up and just looking like shit. So I did have to kind of use my little restoration method where you run them under like some hot water for like 10-15 minutes to try to restore some of the fabric. I mean, it kind of helped a little bit. You can see the laces, they're a little rough, but it does have the suede, the nice black, super black suede, that super buttery blue suede. It does have that Nike SB Supreme tag. Put that back. You have the nice, decently thick tongue with the silver Nike SB lettering there. You also have that silver, black and silver embroidering 94 there on that back half there. And like I said, these are the OG cuts, so they have the black sole, but it doesn't have that Phylon foam insert like some of the more recent SBs have. Same thing with the rear. Let me actually get this out. You get the stuff here. So of course, just like the red pair, they have the red insoles. They kind of almost spell out Supreme there. Pull out this one too. Yeah, so you can kind of see there the insoles red, just like the purple pair and the camper green pair. Right, actually all 5 pairs have the same insoles. I'll just put this there. And also I wanted to point out that these don't have that air pod that's normally like stitched in on a lot of these other SBs. These don't have that little pod in the back. Let me see. Let me pull out this. So you can see how that one has that pod stitch back there. This one doesn't. Honestly, I feel like that kind of like gives the shoe a bit of a different fit. I feel like it's a little bit more snug because I didn't notice that. This is a 10.5, same like my purple pair. 10.5 as well. And I feel like these honestly fit a little bit more snug compared to like some of my other SBs that are 10.5 as well. I don't know if it's that having that pod not being stitched back there, because it does feel like it has a little bit thicker of a heel cushioning back there a little bit. But I mean, you can see, look at it. Compare the purple to the blue. Like, how do y'all feel? What do you feel? How y'all feeling the blue pair compared to the purple? Not gonna lie, I still love the purple pair, man. The purple pair is so fire. Kind of see. Yeah, excuse my hands. So fire. That suede is just so crazy. I just love this suede, bro. This suede's so nice. Honestly, don't know when I'm gonna wear these because they're just so nice. I don't even want to wear them, even though I want to wear them. I'm just like, fuck. They're just so sick. Anyways, what are you guys thinking on this pair? Like, did you guys cop? I know this is a little bit of a late review, but you know, I tried looking up different reviews for these and kind of noticed that there were some, but they kind of sucked. Not naming any names or calling anybody out, but they didn't really show the shoe that good. You know, I try to show the shoe, try to show all the details, and you know, try to give everybody a good idea. Oh yeah, I also wanted to read the date and when these were manufactured, because I know these were pushed back at least like 2 or 3 times, I think, because I know I've seen these like, I think in 2024, and I was like, dude, those are sick. That purple pair is fucking sick as hell. I need those. Same with the blue, but these were manufactured in September 20th, 2024 to November 15th, 2024. So these things sat for about a year until they actually started selling them. So that's kind of crazy to think. You know, they actually sat around that. So that's what makes me think that that's probably why a lot of these laces are all jacked up, because they've been sitting for so long, all laced up, all crazy. And yeah, that's what I've been noticing. A lot of these been having crazy laces. Like, you have to kind of like restore them a little bit because they're all flat and distorted and jacked up looking. But anyways, tell me what you guys are thinking in the chat, in the comments. Sorry, it's a chat. Tell me what you guys are thinking on the Supreme SB Ocean Fog Nike SB Dunk Lows. What are you guys thinking on this pair? Honestly, like, I can't wait to wear them because I just love this fucking suede, man. This just looks so sick. And I haven't really been seeing nobody else with these yet, like in person, so excited to finally, well, I'm excited to find a fit and then wear them, because I don't even have a shirt really or specified fit for these just yet, even though I can just throw whatever on. Anyways, what are you guys thinking? What are you guys' thoughts on these? Tell me what you guys think. That silver Nike on the back, forgot to point that out. And the same Supreme on the midsole on both sides. That tag is kind of annoying. Let me get this one. Let me use this one. You can see there. That's a good thumbnail right there. But actually, I think I was using the other shoe for the thumbnail. Boom. What are you guys thinking? Is that a cop or a drop? Let me know. Let me know. Because, man, these things are sick. Cop or a drop. I should get the purple in there too. But anyways, let me know what you guys are thinking. I appreciate those that's been commenting and been engaging with my stuff, liking my videos and showing love, you know, subscribing and stuff, because, you know, I've been noticing my videos have been doing pretty good, so I'm hoping to keep this going. You know, show me some love, tell me what you guys think, let me know what shoes you guys think I should do next. Honestly, I was thinking of getting those Voodoos, but honestly, I feel a little already saturated too much. I've seen those all over the place, so I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know. But anyways, I think I'll be finishing short, you know, closing this one off, ending this video, getting this, you know, wrapped up, edited, and uploaded on my YouTube. Anyways, you know, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and tap in on the next one. Hopefully it's soon. Alrighty, I'll see you. Tap in.